How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a gorgeous numbers matching 67 Chevelle SS 396. See, the front bumper's been re-chromed, the grille and the headlight bezels, they look to be the originals. Excellent condition. Car's nice and straight down the sides. This is just the way the car come out of the factory, other than the wheels. It's a factory Marina Blue with the bright blue interior, a black stripe on the side. We do have the Protecto plate and some other information on the car, the original paperwork. So it looks like the rear bumper's all been re-chromed. Tail light housings, they're in real good shape. All your moldings. I tell you, it's hard to find a nice numbers matching car. It's been updated with disc brakes in the front. It's got power steering, power disc, got the 12-bolt posi. See, it's got the factory chrome valve covers, factory air breather, all the stock exhaust manifolds and the duals. Super nice car, and I tell you, this car drives down the road beautifully. And they did upgrade the radiator to aluminum radiator. We also have the original one out of the car. Doors are real nice and clean. Interior's beautiful. Dash all looks real nice. They did a retrofit AM/FM stereo in it. Headliner's real nice and tight. Sail panels look real good. I tell you, I like the blue interior. It's not hot in the summer. And it's different. That's just the way the car come out of the factory. Factory bench seat SS. It's a 138 car. Got your factory jack and spare. Trunk looks real nice. Tell you, the car's nice and straight, got nice slick paint on the car. They put a pair of gauges there under the dash. So all the door jambs, everything on this car, the doors, really clean, nice. Car was built in Kansas City. Stayed in Kansas City until we got it. Fires right up. I like the black factory stripe on the bottom. You don't see that often. Sounds good off the exhaust. It's got LED taillights. Makes it a lot nicer on these cars so they show up better. Reverse lights all work. Tell you, it's just a super nice car, guys. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, folks.